Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. The mind moves in the direction of our currently dominant thoughts. All you need is the plan, the road map, and the courage to press on to your destination. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you are working for somebody else. Job security is gone. The driving force of a career must come from the individual. Remember, jobs are owned by the company. You own your career. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious 'tis the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. Always keep that happy attitude. Pretend that you are holding a beautiful, fragrant bouquet. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. We will receive not what we idly wish for, but what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. We are at our very best, and we are happiest when we are fully engaged in work we enjoy on the journey toward the goal we've established for ourselves. It gives meaning to our time off and comfort to our sleep. It makes everything else in life so wonderful, so worthwhile. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. Ideas are elusive, slippery things. Best to keep a pad of paper and a pencil at your bedside so you can stab them during the night before they get away. Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you'll be doing when you've reached your goal. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. You can measure opportunity with the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. They go together. If you are still listening to me, please subscribe to the channel. Get into a line that you will find to be a deep personal interest, something you really enjoy. Spending 12 to 15 hours a day working at, and the rest of the time thinking about.